Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about the Mercedes Benz P0156 engine code. If your check engine light is on and your scanner shows P0156, don't worry, in this video, I'll explain what this code means, the common causes, symptoms, and how to fix it properly. The P0156 code means oxygen sensor circuit malfunction. Bank to sensor 2. Let's break it down. Bank 2, the side of the engine without cylinder number 1. Sensor 2, the downstream oxygen sensor, located after the catalytic converter. You may notice one or more of these symptoms. 1. Check engine light stays on to reduce fuel efficiency. 3. Rough idle or slight hesitation for failed emissions test. 5. Poor engine performance. In many Mercedes vehicles, the car may still drive normally, but ignoring this code can damage the catalytic converter over time. Here are the most common reasons behind the P0156 code. 1. Faulty downstream oxygen sensor. 2. Damaged or melted sensor wiring. 3. Loose, corroded, or broken sensor connector. 4. Exhaust leak near bank to sensor 2. 5. Blown fuse related to the O2 sensor heater circuit. 6. Catalytic converter issues. 7. ECU or software fault. It indicates the oxygen sensor bank 2 sensor 2 fails to meet the minimum and maximum voltage limits calibrated for the ECM to C. Here are 3 of the most practical solutions to fix Mercedes-Benz's P0156 error code. Method A. Paste the exhaust leaks. The exhaust system begins at the engine combustion chambers and runs along the undercarriage of the vehicle, eventually ending with the visible tailpipe. If you had a leak around the corner, get some exhaust putty to seal it up. First, get sandpaper and a wet wipe to clean the leaking area for better application. Stir the paste well to activate it. Apply and press the paste to seal the leaking area. After the application, don't start the engine because the positive pressure from the exhaust will blow out the paste. Let it cure for 24 hours, depending on the external temperature. The hotter it is, the quicker it will cure. That means you can use something like a hair dryer to heat it up and make it cure faster. Method B. Wrap up the exhaust leaks. Exhaust pipes are made out of rolled steel, and there is a welded seam on them. Like this one, the seam will often rot or leak. First, either sandpaper and a wet wipe to clean the leaking area for better application. Get the heat wrap out and put it in the water for about 30 to 40 seconds to start the activation process. Then remove it and squeeze out any excess water. Wrap it around the area and overlap it a couple of inches on each side. Repeat the process 3 or 4 times. Then squeeze it to make the resin go all through it. Start the car and let it run for 30 minutes so the heat cures it and makes a permanent fix. Method C. The oxygen sensor. This oxygen sensor is located right after the catalytic converter. Bank 2 is on the side with the cylinder number 2. Sensor number 2 is usually the downstream oxygen sensor behind the converter. Visually check the oxygen sensor's electrical connections, wire harness, and metal tabs for any damages. If damages are found, replace the oxygen sensor. So here are 3 of the most practical solutions to fix Mercedes-Benz's P0156 error code. The Mercedes-Benz P0156 code is related to a problem with the downstream oxygen sensor on bank 2. Fixing it early helps maintain fuel efficiency and protects your catalytic converter. If this video helped you, like, share, and subscribe for more Mercedes diagnostics videos. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.